Okay, it is the 17th, and what I do to run these Powerglides is I have a Corvan friend who prepared a ring gear with half of a torque converter that will go on this engine stand over here. I'm going to have to take that engine off, get it in the air. So basically I need to take this one, I'm about ready to drop it on a basket, always use a metal basket. And then I'm going to take that motor off and put it on a basket, and then come back and stab this guy and get it off the basket and get it on that stand. So this stand's got the fuel pump, of course the starter, all my cables, everything I need to run it. But we're at that point now where I'm getting close. I'm getting close to where I can fire this engine up and hopefully won't have any issues. I'll dynamically set the lifters and we should be good to go. I hope to have that in the van. My goal is to have it in the van tomorrow. If I don't have any problems, I can have that motor in the van tomorrow. That would be a good goal.